Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear student. How are you? I hope you all are fine and you are at home with your parents. Dear students, today I am appearing before you with your English class, and it's especially for the student of class 3. আজ আমি তৃতীয় শ্রেণীর শিক্ষার্থীদের জন্য এসেছি ইংরেজি বিষয়ের ক্লাস নিতে। সো মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, ইউ আর ওয়েলকাম টু বাংলাদেশ আলোকিত প্রাথমিক শিক্ষক ঢাকা। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, at first I like to introduce myself. I am Rupa Mullik Rupu, assistant teacher, and I am from Khagrachuri. Dear student, welcome to my class. My dear student, at very first I like to show you a video. তোমাদেরকে একটি ভিডিও দেখাবো। Dear student, let's enjoy the video. Dear student, a nice video about chicken and a mother hen. Now I like to show you some pictures. Dear student, it's a, can you guess what's it? I think you can guess. What can you see in the pictures? First one is a parrot. What's it? Yes, it's a parrot. And it can talk, it stay at people, keep it at home. Dear student, what's it? Do you know it? I think you can, you know it. It's pigeon. What's it? It's pigeon. Next picture. Dear student, do you know what is it? It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. It can run fast. Next picture. Dear student, what's it? Do you know it? I think you know. And it's dog. It's a dog. Next picture. And this picture is cat. It's cat. Here is 3 cats. Last picture. It's a bird. Dear student, do you guess what's its name? I think you can guess, and it's Moina. It's Moina. So my dear student, these are some pet birds and animals. Some pet birds and animals. কয়েকটি পোষা পাখি এবং পোষা প্রাণীর ছবি। So dear student, our today's topics is today I discuss about a pet animal. About a pet animal, and it's cat. The pet animal is cat, and your topics is What do they do? What do they do? My dear student, please open your book, page number 46, and it's the picture of the topics from your textbook. My dear student, at very first, I like to discuss with you about the word meaning of some from these topics. Okay, let's introduce this word meaning. I have selected some words. First one is morning. First one is morning. Dear student, do you know what is morning or the meanings of morning? I think you know. And morning, its Bengali meanings সকাল. Morning, সকাল, সকাল বেলা বন্ধুরা. Next word, it's lazy. What is its? It's lazy, dear student. And can you imagine the Bengali meaning? Okay. The Bengali meanings of lazy is অলস. অলস শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, lazy, অলস. Next word, it's slow. What's it? Slow. And the Bengali meanings of slow is ধীর. খুব আস্তে আস্তে, that is ধীর. Next word, afternoon. Dear student, afternoon. And the Bengali meanings of afternoon is বিকাল. বিকাল বেলা, দুপুরের পরে বিকেল বেলা, সন্ধ্যার আগে বিকাল বেলা, that is afternoon. I have some other word. It's active. Dear student, active. And active means কর্মঠ. কর্মঠ. Active, কর্মঠ. Next word, it's quick. What's it, dear student? Quick. And do you know the Bengali meanings of quick? Okay, let's match with me. Quick means দ্রুত. দ্রুত, খুব তাড়াতাড়ি, that is দ্রুত. Next word, animal. What's it? Animal. And the Bengali meanings of animal is প্রাণী. শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, animal, প্রাণী. Next, everyday. What's it? Everyday. And Bengali meanings of everyday is প্রতিদিন. প্রতিদিন. This is everyday. My dear student, can you understand the word meaning? I think you can understand the word meaning English to Bengali. Now, I have to discuss about today's topics. Listen to the text attentively, dear student. You should listen to the text attentively so that you can understand today's topic. Let us start. I'm a cat. In the morning, I'm lazy and slow. I get up late. In the afternoon, I'm active. I catch rats. I'm quick. I'm a clean animal. I wash myself every day. Dear student, it's about a cat. And a cat in the morning, it's lazy and slow. It gets up late. In the afternoon, it becomes active and it catches rats. It's quick. It's clean. অনুচ্ছেদটি একটু বাংলায় বুঝিয়ে দিব। এখানে একটি বিড়াল সম্পর্কে বলা হয়েছে শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা। বিড়াল বলছে, আমি একটি বিড়াল, সকালে আমি ঘুম থেকে উঠতে পারি না, তখন আমি অলস থাকি। সে সকালে খুব স্লো থাকে, ধীর থাকে, উঠতে পারে না। সে বলেছে সে দেরি করে ঘুম থেকে উঠে, বিকেলে সে অ্যাক্টিভ হয়ে যায়, কর্মঠ হয়ে যায়, ইঁদুর ধরে এবং সে খুব দ্রুত ইঁদুর ধরতে পারে। এবং সে বলেছে আমি একটি পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্ন প্রাণী, আমি প্রতিদিন আমাকে পরিষ্কার করি। প্রতিদিন সে ফ্রেশ হয়, গোসল করে। শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, এটি হলো আজকের পাঠের বাংলা অর্থ সহ তোমাদেরকে আমি বুঝিয়ে দিলাম এবং আমি আশা করি তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো। So now I have some true false for you. Sorry dear student, now I have opposite word for you. Opposite word. Do you know what is opposite word? Opposite word is say words not same, different. Not same, different. Just as ধরো সকাল বিকাল, অপোজিট মানে বিপরীত শব্দ। সকালের বিপরীত বিকাল, রাতের বিপরীত দিন। So there is some word from your text. This word is in your text and now I discuss about this opposite word. Okay, here is 4 opposite word. Let's discuss. First one is quick. What's it? Quick. Look at the picture. The rabbit is quick. Rabbit someone খুব জোরে দৌড়াতে পারে, so it's quick. Next, the opposite word of quick is slow. Slow. There is a picture of a tortoise. আমরা দেখছি একটি কচ্ছপের ছবি and the tortoise is slow. খরগোশ কচ্ছপ কিন্তু ধীর গতি সম্পন্ন। So the opposite word is quick is slow. দ্রুত, ধীর। বুঝতে পেরেছো নিশ্চয়ই? Next word early and its opposite word is late. Dear student, look at this picture. The sun rises. So the sun rises in early in the morning. It's early. Then there is a moon and the moon comes late at night. So the word early, its opposite word is late. Early, late. Okay, early, late. Next word is clean. And the opposite word of clean is dirty. Dear student, look at the picture. Here is a shirt and it's a clean shirt, পরিষ্কার, and other side it's a dirty shirt, নোংরা শার্ট। তাহলে পরিষ্কার এর বিপরীত শব্দ হচ্ছে নোংরা। ডার্টি, সরি, ক্লিন, ডার্টি। ক্লিন, ডার্টি। ওকে, নেক্সট ওয়ার্ড, it's active and the opposite word is lazy. Active, lazy. Dear student, look at the picture. A dog is running. একটি কুকুরছানা দৌড়াচ্ছে। So it's active. And another side, this dog is playing. It's sleeping. So it's lazy. কর্মঠ, অলস। So the opposite word is active, is lazy. Everybody, active, lazy. Okay dear student, can you understand the opposite word? I think you can understand. Now it's time to discuss with some true false. Dear student, this is from your text. In your text you have some true or false. Let us start. You try to answer Is it true or false? সত্য অথবা মিথ্যা এটা তোমাদেরকে বলতে হবে। First one is the cat gets up early in the morning. The cat gets up early in the morning. Dear student, what will be the answer? Is it true or false? এটা কি হবে? সত্য হবে নাকি মিথ্যা হবে? Can you imagine the answer? You think you can imagine? And the answer is false. The cat gets up early in the morning. It's false because the cat gets up late in the morning. Isn't it, dear student? Okay, next. The cat is lazy in the morning. The cat is lazy in the morning. What will be the answer? True or false? Let's match with me. It's true. The cat is lazy in the morning and it's true. Number 3. The cat is active in the afternoon. The cat is active in the afternoon. What will be the answer? Can you guess or can you imagine? Okay, I think you can imagine and match with me. It's true. The cat is active in the afternoon and it's true. Dear student, next. The cat washes rats. The cat washes rats. Is it true or false? What will be the answer? The answer is false. The cat washes itself. So, the cat washes rats. It's false. Next, number 5. The cat is a clean animal. The cat is a clean animal. What will be the answer? Dear student, can you answer? I think you can answer. It's true. The cat is a clean animal and it's true. Now, the last number 6. The cat doesn't wash itself. The cat doesn't wash itself. What will be the answer? Do you guess? I think you can guess and it's false. The cat doesn't wash itself. It's false because the cat wash itself every day. Dear student, so I think you can understand the true or false. You can find out the true or false from this text. Okay? Now I have some question for you. Answer the following questions. Number 1. শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা প্রশ্নগুলোর উত্তর দিতে একটু চেষ্টা করো। When does the cat gets up? When does the cat get up? বিড়াল কখন ঘুম থেকে ওঠে? Do you guess the answer? I think you can guess and the answer is the cat gets up late. The cat gets up late. দেরি করে ওঠে। Next question. When does it active? When does it active? কখন কর্মঠ হয়? Dear student, do you guess? I think you can guess. Match with me. At afternoon. At afternoon, it become active. Next question. Is it dirty? Is it dirty? এটা কি নোংরা? Can you imagine? I think you can imagine. And it's a clean animal. It is not dirty. It's a clean animal. My dear student, can you understand this question and answer? I I think and I believe you can understand, and if you understand this question and answer, you can understand the topic perfectly. Okay, now I have filled in the blanks for you. Dear student, I have 5 options and 5 blank sentence for you, and you have to try to fill the gaps with right word. I have 5 words and it's every day, rats, late, afternoon, clean. শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, এই 5টি শব্দ দিয়ে তোমাদেরকে এই 5টি শূন্যস্থান পূরণ করার চেষ্টা করতে হবে। Let us start. The cat is a dash animal. The cat is a, what will be the answer? The answer is clean. The cat is a clean animal. It gets up, dash. It gets up. What will be the answer? Yes, it gets up late. In the dash, it become active. In the dash, it become active. And the answer is afternoon. In the afternoon, it become active. It catches dash. It catches dash. What will be the answer? The answer is rats. It catches rats. Now the last number, it washes itself. Dash, it washes itself. Dear student, and the answer is every day it washes itself. My dear student, I think you can answer the fill in the blanks, and you can you understand the fill in the blanks. Now it's time to discuss about today's one day, one word. Today I have discussed with you about 8 words at very first, and from those words I select a word for today's one day, one word. শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আমি যে শব্দগুলো নিয়ে আলোচনা করেছিলাম সেখান থেকে একটি শব্দ আজকে আমরা ওয়ান ডে ওয়ান ওয়ার্ড হিসেবে পড়ব, and the word is lazy. Lazy. Spell with me. L A lay Z Y G. Lazy. L A lay Z Y Z. That is lazy. Dear student, the Bengali meaning of lazy, I think you can answer. It's alos. Lazy, alos. I have made a sentence with this word, and it's he is a lazy boy. He is a lazy boy. You can make it in different way, just as cat is a lazy animal. Okay, cat is a lazy animal, and it's in our text. She is a lazy girl. Ria is a lazy girl. Different way. So dear student, I think you can understand one day one word, and it's very important for you to learn 365 words in a year. Dear student, প্রতিদিন তোমরা একটি শব্দ শিখবে, তাহলে কিন্তু বছরে 365টি শব্দ শেখা হবে। So every day learn a word. Now I like to give you a home task. Write 3 sentences about a pet animal or a pet bird. তোমার পরিচিত কোনো পোষা প্রাণী অথবা পোষা পাখি সম্পর্কে 3টি বাক্য লিখবে, and it's your home task. Now I like to discuss about today's topic. আজকে কি পড়িয়েছি সেই সম্পর্কে আমি আরেকটু আলোচনা করব। At very first I show you a video, dear student, about a pet bird its hen with its chickens. Then I show you some pictures of pet birds and pet animals. Then I declare today's lesson, and it's what do they do about a cat. Then I discuss about the cat. At very first I discuss about some word meaning from this topic. After discuss about the topic, I discuss with you about opposite word from your text. Then I discuss about some true false. It's also from your text. Then I discuss about answer and question, and I discuss about fill in the blanks. At last I discuss about one day one word, and I give you a home task. My dear student, do the home task at your home and read the topics again. Okay? I will appearing before you with another day and with another topics. Till then, stay home and you do this home task. Allah Hafiz, dear student, and goodbye.